Yes, good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start the practical session of the Unit 1, that is the digital documentation. And we are starting the chapter 1, that is applying the styles in a documentation. Applying styles in a document. I have already told you what is a style. Style is some predefined formatting features which we can apply in our document. And your first practical is according to your chapter is how we can apply the styles in it. For example, we have taken this document and we have to apply the style in this. For applying the styles, you have to click in this home tab. When you will click on the home tab, then in the ribbon you can see there are the various groups. In the style group you have to go, and when you will go in the style groups, you can see there are the various styles. There are various styles here, and when you will click here more options, then you can see more styles you can apply to this. Like style is, this is normal, then no spacing style, heading 1 style, heading 2 style, heading 3 style, subtitle. There are the various styles you can use, but before applying you have to select the text in the document. For example, I am selecting this text. I have selected this line, and then I am clicking on this home tab and I am going into the style group. I am clicking on this heading 1. You can see that my selected line is changed according to the heading 1 style. Its color of the font is blue, and you can see the color of the answer keys of the class 7 is also blue. If I will move to the heading 2, then that is its text size is more small and you can see the changes. If I will move to title, then you can see the selected text is changed according to the title style which we have selected. So by this method you can apply a style. When I am clicking on it, then it will be permanently stored here. Now this style is permanently stored in my file. You can see answer keys of this. If I am selecting this, then I am clicking in the home tab and click on this style, and then title. I am not using a title, I am using subtitle, no spacing, yeah, heading 1. I have choose this heading 1, and whenever I am clicking on it, then that selected text is changed according to the heading 1. This is the one method to apply the style, and the second method to apply the style is that you have to click on this. You will have to click on this small arrow in this style group at the right hand side, this yellow. When I will click on it, all the style pane is appear, and all the styles is here, and you same styles that you have selected from here, same you can select from this style pane. This is the second method of applying the style. According to your book, your first topic was applying style from the style group, that is this one, and applying style from the style pane, that is this. And next is creating a new style. If you want to create your own style and you want to store it in this style group, then how you can do this? Then you have to go there, and this you can see in the style pane. I am showing you, just wait. In this style pane you will see at the last there are 3 buttons at the last. That is, first button you can see, that is the new style. You have to click on this first icon, that is the new style icon. Whenever you will click on this, then create new style from formatting is opened here. When this is opened here, then you can name this style name. You can name your style, that is I am giving the style, that is S1. And in my style I am giving the formatting, that is the Arohi, and font size I am applying, that is 20, and that should be bold, that should be italic, and that should be underline it, and I am doing it center aligned here. I have I have selected all these formatting options in my style S1. Then you have to check your add to quick style list. That should be checked also. That button should be checked also. If it is not checked, then your style will not be added in the style group. Then you will click on the OK. As you will click on OK, then your style S1 will all added in your style group. You can see, you will move to style group and you can see there is the S1 option. S1 style which you have mentioned here, that is stored here, and in the style pane you can also see this S1 option, and you can apply. अब मैं इस पे first line पर I am applying this S1. You can see according to my styles this is already changed. So this is the style, how you can create your own style. Next is how you can modify a style. What is the method to modify a style? How you can modify a style? You have to go in the style S1. Style pane के अंदर style S1 में जाओ, just right click on it and you can see there is an option that is the modify. Just click on this modify options. Now I can change. इसका मैं style 20 I have chosen the style. I have chosen the font text that was the 20. Now I have made it the 14. And Arohi की जगह I have style type I have changed, that is Algerian, and that is bold. It will not be a bold and it will be a right aligned, and then I am pressing OK. और जो मैंने ऊपर अपनी टेक्स्ट में सेलेक्ट किया था, ये देखो दिस लाइन आई हैव chosen according to my style S1. I have applied the style S1 to this line, and now my change style, it is automatically changed. This is automatically changed. This is now right aligned and its text size is also decreased. So this is the method to modify a style. Next is updating a style. How you can updating a style? I have chosen, अब मैं एक नया पैराग्राफ चूज किया है, this one, and I have done it center aligned. Clear? I have done it center aligned, and font text I have chosen that will be 20. Clear? And that should be italic, and its text should be Arial black I have chosen. Clear? So I have done these type of changes, and its color I will chosen it, that will be, sorry, and its color I have chosen, it will be this color, purple color I will choose, that is the this color, या अलग सा कलर चूज कर लेते हैं, दिस वन. तो आई हैव अप्लाइड ऑल दिस टेक्स्ट टू दिस. यहाँ पर जो जो मैंने चेंज किए थे, टाइम्स न्यू रोमन की जगह आई हैव चूजन द एरियल ब्लैक. 20 की जगह आई एम चूजिंग द 24. ऑल दिस थिंग्स आई हैव चेंज. नाउ आई एम गोइंग S1. इसको सेलेक्ट ही रहने दो. S1 पे राइट क्लिक करो. नाउ यू विल क्लिक ऑन दिस. Now you will click on this and update S1 to match selection. Now update S1 to match selection. Sorry. Update S1 to match selection. You can see कि सारे की सारी यहाँ पे उसके अकॉर्डिंगली जो मैंने यहाँ पर चेंजेस किए थे S1 के अंदर, पूरे स्टाइल उसके अकॉर्डिंगली चेंज हो गए हैं. और मैंने सबसे ऊपर वाली लाइन में S1 स्टाइल अप्लाई किया था, एंड दिस इज ऑटोमेटिकली चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू माय न्यू स्टाइल. तो दिस इज अपडेटिंग अ स्टाइल. दिस इज द मेथड ऑफ अपडेटिंग अ स्टाइल. Now I told you that how you can create your own style, how you can modify a style, and how you can update a style. And the last method is that is importing a style from the another document. How you can import a style to the another document. For example, I have made a style S1 here, and you want to import this S1 to your new document जिसमें S1 आपने यहाँ पर S1 बनाया. It will be shown only here. It will not be imported to your new file. But if you want to import it from here to new file, how you can import it? Here I am saving this file and I am creating a new file. New क्रिएट न्यू में कुछ ऑलरेडी ओपन ही को ओपन कर लेते हैं हम रिसेंट के अंदर. आई एम ओपनिंग दी this one. I have opened this and I want to apply here. Yeah, you can see in this style group here is no S1, and if you want to apply here S1, how you can do this? Click on this style pane. At last you have to go this icon that is showing the managing style. As you will click on this manage style, this manage style dialog box will be opened. Click on this import and export button, and you can see here the file it is showing in class 9 spreadsheet which I have opened. And here you have to open that file which you want to from which you want to import the style S1. So I have to open the here, close the file. You will click on this close file. As you will click on, it will be changes into the open file. Go here, select here all file template की जगह आपको select करना है all word documents. You have to select the all word document. As you will click on the all word documents, आपको अपनी फाइल को ओपन करना है. मेरी फाइल का क्या नेम था अभी जो हमने ओपन कर रखी थी? दैट वाज, what was the name of that file? I will just check it. That was answer keys of the 7. Okay, that was the answer keys of the 7. Answer keys. Just wait a minute, I am checking where it is. Answer keys of class 9th open हो गया वो तो. No, my file was close file, word template से word document, and that was on the desktop. Answer keys of class 7, and I am opening it. यहाँ से आ गया answer keys. You can see it is showing your file the answer keys of the class 7, and now you can see here all the answer keys of the. एक बार हम चेक करते हैं मेरी दूसरी फाइल क्या थी. Now you can see I have opened the file the answer keys of the class 7 here, and it is showing the S1 style which I have which was built by me, and it is showing that style S1. I want to import the style S1 to my new file class 9 spreadsheet. I selected here, and I will click on this copy button. When I will click on this copy button, then you can see that S1 style is moved from here to here. That is imported. That is import from my file answer key of class 7 to my new file that is class 9 spreadsheet. And then I will close this organize button, and you can see the class 9 spreadsheet is open, and here in the style pane it is showing the S1. This is all about how you can import the style from one file to the another file, and then here it is also showing this. अब मैं इसको भी स्टाइल का बनाना चाहती हूँ. Select this and click on this. It is also changed according to this style. Your next is changing style. How you can change the style? That is this one. From there you can change the style. यहाँ 4 ऑप्शंस हैं. आप कोई भी कलर, कोई भी फ़ॉन्ट अपना यूज़ कर सकते हो अकॉर्डिंग टू योर फ़ॉन्ट. देखिए जी, ये सारे कुछ आपके फ़ोन जो भी आप यहाँ से फ़ोन सेलेक्ट करेंगे इसके अकॉर्डिंगली आपका सिलेक्टेड लाइन चेंज होती जाएगी. क्रिएट दिस वन, एडजेसेंटी, फ्रैंकलिन, ऑफिस, वट एवर यू कैन अप्लाई फ्रॉम हेयर. यू कैन चेंज द स्टाइल फ्रॉम हेयर. स्टाइल सेट, हम यहाँ से कोई भी स्टाइल ले सकते हैं. आप स्टाइल सेट चेंज कर सकते हो. यू कैन चेंज द कलर थीम ऑफ योर पैराग्राफ. यू कैन चेंज द कलर स्पेसिंग ऑफ योर दिस वन. सेलेक्टेड अ पैराग्राफ and you can see this one. I am going to change style, button, paragraph spacing, and you can according to this your file is going to be changed according to this style. This is all about to how you can apply the style in a document. This was the first chapter of this unit. Now I am going to start the second chapter. Now I think this is clear to you. This is the first video of this chapter, which how you can apply the style in a document clearly. And please do the practice of this chapter, that how you can apply a style. So what are the questions that can comes from this chapter? That is, what are the styles, what is the difference between the paragraph and the character styles, how you can create your own style. तो क्वेश्चंस आते हैं जिसमें in these answers you have to mention the steps, that how we can create our own style, how we can update our own style, how we can do the change in our own style, how we can do the updation, modification, and how you can import a style from one file to the another file. This is all about this chapter. Now in my next video we will do the second chapter, that is adding the graphics in a document. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.